Hello everyone, I'm Priyanka Shine. Welcome to my YouTube channel Mathalite. In this video, we'll start with exercise 6D from chapter Simultaneous Linear Equations. So starting with question number 1. 9 upon x minus 4 upon y equals to 8 and 13 upon x plus 7 upon y equals to 101. We have a pair of linear equations, but the variables are in denominator. X is in denominator, y is in denominator. So how will we solve such kind of questions? Now let us rewrite this equation. 9 upon x है, I can write it as 9 into 1 upon x, correct? 4 upon y, I can rewrite it as 4 into 1 upon y. Okay. Now 1 upon x की जगह पे we will take some other variable and 1 upon y की जगह पे some other variable. Okay, so we'll take 1 upon x as, let's say, a and 1 upon y as b. So this whole thing will become a, this whole thing will become b. Okay, we have 9 into 1 upon x, that is it will become 9 into a, and 4 into 1 upon y hai, so that will become 4 into b. Okay, so now we have a proper linear equation. In linear equation, the variables should not be in denominator. Why? Because the power of the variable will be minus. Okay, minus 1 हो जाएगा. So for linear equations, the power of the variable should be 1. Okay, so यहाँ पे variable का power 1 हो जाएगा. So this is a proper linear equation. We'll solve the pair of linear equation. यहाँ पे हो जाएगा 13a plus 7b equals to 101. Okay, we'll solve the pair of linear equations and we'll get the values of a and b. Once you get the value of a and b, we will resubstitute the values and find the value of x and y. Okay, so original जो variables है उसका value भी find out करना पड़ेगा. You have to find the values of those variables only. Okay, we have substituted a and b. पहले a and b का find करेंगे and then x and y का find करेंगे. Alright, how will we solve these two equations? By equating coefficients. Okay, that is कोई भी एक variable a का या b का coefficients same करना है. Alright, by taking LCM. So let us now start solving. Now 9 upon x I can rewrite as 9 into 1 upon x and 4 upon y as 4 into 1 upon y equals to 8. Over here same thing, 13 into 1 upon x plus 7 into 1 upon y equals to 101. Now we'll take 1 upon x as a and 1 upon y as b. You can take p, q, m, n, alright, but not x and y. Alright, so 1 upon x a हो जाएगा, 1 upon y b हो जाएगा. We'll substitute the values over here and here. So this will become 9a minus 4b equals to 8. Mark this as 1. Over here 13a plus 7b equals to 101. Mark this as 2. Okay, now you don't need to show this step. Alright, this is just for understanding. You can show this working, but if you directly want to start with this statement, you can directly start from here. Okay, this is not required, this is for understanding. Alright, but you can still show the step, it is not wrong. Alright, now how will we solve these two equations? By equating coefficients. So I am going to make coefficients of b equal, क्योंकि b का साइन ऑपोजिट है. ओके, साइन ऑपोजिट होता है तो ऐड करके ही इक्वेशन सॉल्व कर सकते हैं. सो आई एम गोइंग टू मेक दिस एंड दिस सेम. ओके, यहाँ पे 7 है, यहाँ पे 4 है. 7 and 4 का LCM will be 28. So I have to multiply this by 7 to make it 28 and this by 4 to make this 28. So I'll multiply this entire equation by 7 and this entire equation by 4. So multiplying equation 1 by 7 and 2 by 4. So 1 को 7 से multiply करेंगे, so 7 into 9a minus 4b equals to 8. Don't forget this part. Okay, sometimes you forget this part. यहाँ पे multiply ही नहीं करेंगे तो ये number as it is रहेगा. Your answer will go wrong. Okay, So don't forget to multiply this number by the entire equation. LHS से ही नहीं, RHS से भी multiply करना है. So 9 7s are 63, 7 4s are 28, 7 8s are 56. So mark this as 3. Over here we'll multiply by 4. So 13a plus 7b equals to 101. 4 into 13, 52. 7 4s are 28, and 4 into 101, 404. Mark this as 4. Now the coefficients are same. Okay, and check the signs now. माइनस है, यहाँ पे प्लस है. So signs are opposite. Whenever the signs are opposite, you add the equations. Whenever the signs are same, you subtract the equation. तो जो भी कोएफिशिएंट को सेम किया है वो कोएफिशिएंट का साइन चेक करो. दोनों का साइन ऑपोजिट है तो इक्वेशंस को ऐड करेंगे, एंड सेम है तो यू आर गोइंग टू सब्ट्रैक्ट. सो आई विल ऐड द टू इक्वेशंस. सो एडिंग इक्वेशंस 3 and 4. So 63a minus 28b equals to 56, and 52a plus 28b equals to 404. All right, this will get cancelled. Over here, okay, sorry, 460 हो जाएगा. I made a mistake. Over here we are getting 115. Okay, so a is equal to 460 upon 115. So 115 into 4 हो जाएगा. You can check 115 into 4. 5 4s are 20, 4 1s are 4 plus 2 6, and 460. So a is equal to 4. Now we just have to substitute the value of a in either of the 4 equations. You have 4 equations over here, 1 2 3 4. Which one to substitute in any of them? But I would suggest 1 or 2, because these equations have smaller numbers. Okay, it becomes easier to solve. So I'll substitute in equation 1 and find the value of b. Once we get the value of a and b, we will find the value of x and y. So substituting a equals to 4 in equation 1. So 9 into 4 minus 4b equals to 8. 9 4s are 36, minus 4b equals to 8. 36 minus 8 equals to 4b. Shifting 8 over here, it becomes negative. Shifting 4b over here. Okay, 36 minus 8, that will give 28. So b is equal to 28 upon 4. 4 7s are, so 7 is equal to b, that is b is equal to 7. We found the values of a and b, but we need to find the values of x and y, the variables of the original equation. Okay, originally there were x and y variables, so we have to find the values of x and y. So resubstituting the values. So we know 1 upon x is equal to a and 1 upon y is equal to b. a का वैल्यू क्या मिला? We got it as 4, and b का वैल्यू we got as 7. Now we'll just shift 4 over here and x over here. All right, so 1 upon 4 is equal to x, and over here same thing. ओके, ये डिनोमिनेटर में है, जब यहाँ पे शिफ्ट करेंगे तो न्यूमरेटर में जाएगा. सो एंड दिस विल गो इन डिनोमिनेटर बिकॉज दिस इज इन न्यूमरेटर. ऑल राइट, सो x इज 1/4 एंड y इज 1/7. और यू कैन यूज रेसिप्रोकल रूल. ओके, रेसिप्रोकल रूल क्या हो जाएगा? इफ़ यू टेक रेसिप्रोकल ऑन बोथ द साइड्स, सो 1 upon x हो जाएगा x, एंड 4 हो जाएगा 1 upon 4. Okay, so if you take 1 upon x equal to 4, when you take reciprocal on both the sides, numerator denominator interchange हो जाता है. So x upon 1 हो जाएगा, it is equal to 4 upon 1 है तो 1 upon 4 हो जाएगा. Okay, so you can use whichever way you find easier. Okay, Now we got the values of x and y. Just write down the final statement. X is equal to 1 by 4 and y is equal to 1 by 7. Coming to question number 2. 3 upon x plus 2 upon y equals to 10 and 9 upon x minus 7 upon y equals to 10.5. Again we have the variables in denominator. We will take 1 upon x as a and 1 upon y as b. Now I will rewrite the equations. I can rewrite 3 upon x as 3 into 1 upon x and 2 upon y as 2 into 1 upon y. Okay, same thing over here. Now this is optional, students. You don't need to show this. Okay, this is for understanding. So if you want to show, it's okay. Otherwise you can directly start with the statement, let 1 upon x be equal to a and 1 upon y be equal to b. So let 1 upon x be equal to a and 1 upon y equal to b. So this will become 3a plus 2b equals to 10. Mark this as 1. Over here 9a minus 7b equals to 10.5. Mark this as 2. Now we don't keep decimal point in linear equations normally, okay, but I've kept decimal point over here. I'll tell you why. Now we'll be equating coefficients. b को मैं same करूँगी, okay, b का coefficients I'll make same. We have 2b over here and here 7b. You can make coefficients of a same. यहाँ पे 3 है, यहाँ पे 9 है. You just need to multiply by 3, okay. But I'll make b का coefficient same. Why? Because b का signs यहाँ पे opposite है. I just need to add the equations and solve. Okay. So I always feel adding is easier than subtracting. So I'll prefer adding the two equations. So I'll make coefficient of b same. Okay. You can also make coefficient of a same and solve. Now b का coefficient I'm making same over here. So 2 and 7 का LCM हो जाएगा 14. I need to multiply this by 7 and this by 2. Okay. When I'll multiply this entire equation by 2, automatically the decimal point will vanish. 10.5 into 2 हो जाएगा. So it will become 21. Okay. So automatically the decimal point is going away. That is why I am not going to remove the decimal point. Okay. So whenever you have 0.5, okay, you can just multiply by 2 and the decimal point will vanish. Okay. Now I'll multiply equation 1 by 7 and this by 2. So multiplying equation 1 by 7 and 2 by 2. So 7 से multiply कर रहे हैं and over here by 2. Seven threes are 21, 7 twos are 14, 7 tens are 70. Over here 2 nines are 18, 2 sevens are 14 and 2 into 10.5 gives 21. Okay, you can just check. Forget decimal point for once and 2 से multiply करो. So 2 fives are 10, 2 zeros are 0, 1 and 2 ones are 2. Then put decimal point. From right hand side there is decimal point after one number. Okay, one number के बाद decimal point है. So put decimal point after one number. 21 is the answer. 21.0 is nothing but 21. Okay, so mark this as 1 and mark this as 2. Now the coefficients are same, signs is opposite. So opposite sign होगा तो we will add the equations. If the signs are same, you will subtract the equations. So adding, sorry, number this as 3 and 4. I forgot. Adding equations 3 and 4. So 21a plus 14b equals to 70 and 18a minus 14b equals to 21. 14b minus 14b will get cancelled. Over here we have 39a and over here 91. So a is equal to 91 upon 39. So a is equal to 13 3s are 13 7s are 7 upon 3. We found the value of a. Now we need to find value of b. Okay. So substituting a equals to 7 by 3 in equation 1. You can substitute it in 2, 3 or 4. Okay. 3 into 7 by 3 plus 2b equals to 10. 3 will get cancelled. We are left with 7 plus 2b equals to 10. So 2b equals to 10 minus 7. That is 2b equals to 3. b is equal to 3 by 2. Okay, we found the values of a and b, but we still have to find the values of x and y. So resubstituting, we know 1 upon x is equal to a and 1 upon y is equal to b. a क्या है? It is 7 upon 3. Okay, and b is 3 upon 2. So now we'll just take reciprocal. Okay, 1 upon x is equal to 7 upon 3. So x upon 1, that is x, is equal to 3 upon 7. You just have to interchange numerator and denominator. ये numerator में जाएगा, numerator denominator में जाएगा. And same thing over here. Over here also 1 upon y है, तो y upon 1, that is y is equal to 3 upon 2 की जगह हो जाएगा 2 upon 3. So we found the value. Okay, now box the answer. And if this seems little difficult, reciprocal नहीं समझ में आता है, what you can do, just cross multiply. Okay, so 1 upon x is equal to 7 upon 3 है. You can say 3 is equal to 3 into 1 हो जाएगा, is equal to 7x, that is x is equal to 3 upon 7. Okay, you can solve this way also, and same thing over here. Okay, coming to question number 3. 5x plus 8 upon y equals to 19 and 3x minus 4 upon y equals to 7. Over here, x is in numerator but y is in denominator. So how will we solve such kind of equations? x वाले term को we will not disturb, let it remain as it is, but y की जगह पे we will substitute some other variable. That is, we'll take 1 upon y as some other variable. Okay, x we'll keep as it is, but 1 upon y we'll take as some other variable. Okay, so this is optional step. 5x plus 8 into 1 upon y, okay, equals to 19, and here 3x minus 4 into 1 upon y equals to 7. Okay, 1 upon y we'll take as some other variable, we'll take it as a. So let 1 upon y be equal to a. So 5x plus 8 into 1 upon y हो जाएगा a. Mark this as equation 1. Over here 3x minus 4 into 1 upon y, that is 4a, equals to 7. Mark this as 2. Now we'll equate the coefficients, that is, we'll make कोई भी एक वेरिएबल का कोएफिशिएंट सेम. Okay, you can make coefficient of x same. 5 and 3 है, so LCM of 5 and 3 becomes 15. You have to multiply this by 3 and this by 5. But what I am going to do is I am going to make coefficient of a same. Okay, क्योंकि a का साइंस ऑपोजिट है यहाँ पे. So just by adding the two equations I will be able to solve it. So यहाँ पे 8 है, यहाँ पे 4 है. Okay, I can easily make 4 8 just by multiplying by 2. That is, LCM of 4 and 8 क्या होता है? 8 होता है. Okay, so this I don't need to multiply. यहाँ पे मुझे 2 से multiply करना पड़ेगा and I'll get the equation. Okay, so multiplying equation 2 by 2. So 2 into 3x minus 4a equals to 7. So 6x minus 8a equals to 14. This is equation 3. Now if you check 1 and 3, so now the coefficients are same, okay, and the signs are opposite. So signs are opposite, so we will add the two equations. Okay, now we'll add the two equations. So adding equations 1 and 3. 1 is 5x plus 8a equals to 19, and 3 is 6x minus 8a equals to 14. This will get cancelled. Okay, 5x plus 6x gives 11x, and over here we get 33. So x is 33 upon 11, that is 3. So we got x ka value. Okay, now x ka value we got as 3. Okay, we need to find value of y. X and y are there in original equation, so we can directly find y now. We don't need to find a. You can find a ka value and then find y ka value. That will become lengthy process. Okay, so why follow lengthy process? Lengthy method क्यों करना है? Instead directly find y का value. So you can consider equation 1 or 2. I'll be considering equation 2. So substituting x equal to 3 in equation 2, it is 3x minus 4a equals to 7. A is what? 1 upon y. Okay, so directly substitute a as 1 upon y and find the value of y. So x is 3 minus 4 upon y equals to 7. That is original equation में हम लोग substitute कर रहे हैं. Okay, 3 3s are 9, minus 4 upon y equals to 7. So shift 4 upon y over here. 9 minus 7 equals to 4 upon y. We shifted this over here, so it becomes positive. This over here, so it becomes negative. Okay, 9 minus 7 gives 2 upon is equal to 4 upon y. So shifting y over here and 2 over here, y will go in numerator, 2 will come in denominator, so y is 2. Okay, so we found the values of x and y. Write down the final statement. X is equal to 3 and y is equal to 2. Let's read the next question. Question number 4. Solve 4x plus 6 upon y equals to 15 and 3x minus 4 upon y equals to 7. Hence find a if y is equal to ax minus 2. Over here we just have to solve these two equations normally. Okay, just the way we solve, and once you get the value of x and y, you just have to substitute the values of x and y over here and find the value of a. Okay, so you just have to solve the pair of linear equation, find the value of x and y. Once you get the value of x and y, find value of a by substituting the values over here. Okay, so we have 4x plus 6 upon y equals to 15. So x यहाँ पे numerator में है. We are not going to disturb x वाला terms. Okay, because this is in numerator. Y is in denominator, so 1 upon y we'll take as some other variable. Now you cannot take it as a because a is there in other equation. So don't take a. Take any other variable. Okay, so I'll take 1 upon y as m over here. So let 1 upon y be equal to m. Okay, so what will the equation be? 4x plus 6 upon y हो जाएगा 4x plus 6m is equal to 15. Okay, over here 3x minus 4 upon y equals to 7. This will become 3x minus 4m equals to 7. 1 upon y is m. Okay, mark this as 1 and this as 2. Now you can make coefficients of x equal or coefficients of m equal. I'll be making coefficients of m equal because m का signs यहाँ पे opposite है. Okay, so I just have to add the equations. So I'll make coefficients of m same. 6 है and 4 है. What is the LCM of 6 and 4? It is 12. ओके, सो 6 है 4 है, हाउ विल यू टेक LCM? 2 3s are 2 2s are, यर 3 से डिवाइड करते हैं, सो 3 1s are and this one will remain as it is. Okay, and this 2 1s are, so till both of them become 1 you have to keep on solving. Okay, so 2 into 3 6 6 2s are 12, so 12 is the LCM. We just have to multiply this entire equation by 2 and this entire equation by 3, because यहाँ पे 2 से मल्टीप्लाई करने से 12 हो जाएगा एंड यहाँ पे 3 से मल्टीप्लाई करने से 12 हो जाएगा. सो यू हैव टू मल्टीप्लाई द एंटायर इक्वेशन, यू कैन नॉट जस्ट मल्टीप्लाई वन टर्म बाय सम नंबर. ओके, सो मल्टीप्लाइंग equation 1 by 2 and 2 by 3. So 2 into 4x plus 6m equals to 15. This will give 8x plus 12m equals to 30. Mark this as 3. Okay, over here we'll multiply by 3, so 3 into 3x minus 4m equals to 7. So 9x minus 12m equals to 21. Mark this as equation 4. Now we have coefficients equal, signs are opposite, here it is negative, here it is positive, so we will add the two equations. So let us add equation 3 and 4 and solve. So adding equations 3 and 4, 8x plus 12m equals to 30 and 9x minus 12m equals to 21. So this will get cancelled. 8x plus 9x gives 17x. Over here 51. So 51 divided by 17, 17 3s are 51. Okay, so x is equal to 3. We found the value of x, now we need to find value of y. Okay, so there is no point in finding value of m over here. What you can do is directly find the value of y instead of finding value of m and then finding value of y. Okay, and once we get the value of x and y, we need to find value of a. Okay, so substituting x equal to 3 in equation 1. What was equation 1? Equation 1 we had 4x plus 6m equals to 15. In place of 1 upon y we took m. Okay, now what we'll do is m की जगह पे वापस we'll substitute 1 upon y and directly find the value of y. Okay, so 4x is 3 plus 6 into 1 upon y equals to 15. This will be 12 plus 6 upon y equals to 15. Shifting 12 over here, 6 upon y is equal to 15 minus 12. 6 upon y is equal to 3. Shifting 3 over here and y over here. So 6 upon 3 is equal to y. That is y is equal to 2 milega. Okay. We found the values of x and y. Just write down over here. X is equal to 3 and y is equal to 2. Now we'll find the value of a. So we know y is equal to ax minus 2. We'll substitute the values of x and y. So 2 is equal to a into 3 minus 2. So 2 plus 2 equals to 3a. Okay. Shifting 2 over here, so 4 is equal to 3a. So a is equal to 4 by 3. Okay, that is a is 4 by 3. In your book the answer is given in mixed fraction form. So how will you express this in mixed fraction? ये तो proper fraction हुआ. Mixed fraction के form में how will you do? Numerator we are dividing by denominator. Okay, now 3 1s are 3 and remainder is 1. Okay, so what we'll do, we can express this as mixed fraction. हाउ, डिनोमिनेटर में 3 है तो 3 एज इट इज़ रखो. ओके, ओवर हियर 1 is remaining, so 1 will go in numerator and 3 into 1. Okay, so this 3 comes in denominator, this remainder 1 comes in numerator, and the number by which we are multiplying, that comes over here. So 3 ones are 3 plus 1 4 upon 3. Okay, so a is 1 plus 1 upon 3. So you can write it in mixed fraction form just by dividing like this. Okay, let's read the next question. Question number 5. Solve 3 upon x minus 2 upon y equals to 0 and 2 upon x plus 5 upon y equals to 19. Hence find a if y is equal to ax plus 3. This one is similar to the previous question. Okay, so what we'll do, we'll solve the pair of linear equations, find the values of x and y. Once you get the values of x and y, just substitute it over here and find value of a. Okay, so ये equation में we have a, so we cannot take 1 upon x equal to a or 1 upon y equal to a. Okay, you have to take any other variable. Alright, so I'll take 1 upon x as m and 1 upon y as n. Okay, so we have 3 upon x minus 2 upon y equal to 0, and over here we have 2 upon x plus 5 upon y equals to 19. Okay, so we'll take 1 upon x equal to m and 1 upon y equal to n. So this will become 3m minus 2n equal to 0. Mark this as 1. Over here 2m plus 5n equal to 19. You can show that optional step. Okay, you can show the working. I have not shown it over here. Alright, mark this as equation 2. Now we'll make the coefficients same. या तो m का coefficient same करो और n का coefficient same करो. I'll make coefficient of n same. Okay, 2 and 5. 2 and 5 का LCM क्या होगा? 10. Okay, so I have to multiply this by 5 to make this 10 and this by 2 to make this 10. So I'll multiply entire equation by 5 and here I'll multiply entire equation by 2. So multiplying equation 1 by 5 and equation 2 by 2. Okay, so 5 into 3m minus 2n equals to 0. Over here we'll get 15m minus 10n equals to 5 into 0 gives 0. Mark this as 3. Over here we'll multiply by 2, so 2 into 2m plus 5n equals to 19. 2 2s are 4, 4m हो जाएगा, 2 5s are 10 and 2 19s are 38. Okay, mark this as 4. Now we'll add the two equations because यहाँ पे plus 10 है, यहाँ पे minus 10 है. The signs are opposite, so when the signs are opposite you add the two equations. So adding equations 3 and 4, 15m minus 10n equals to 0 and 4m plus 10n equals to 38. This will get cancelled. 15 plus 4 gives 19. 0 plus 38 gives 38. So m का value 2 मिलेगा. 38 upon 19 that gives 2. Now we need to find the value of n. Okay, so substitute the value of m in 1 or 2. Okay, we have smaller numbers over here, so I'll substitute in 1. Okay, you can also substitute in 3 or 4, does not matter. Okay, but I'll substitute in equation 1 and find value of n. So substituting m equal to 2 in equation 1. So 3 into 2 minus 2n equals to 0. 6 minus 2n equals to 0. 6 is equal to 2n. Okay, so n equals to 3. 6 by 2 हो जाएगा 3. switch the places, n is equal to 3. So m is 2, n is 3. Now we need to find the value of x and y. Okay, x and y are the original variables. So resubstituting the values, so 1 upon x equals to m and 1 upon y equals to n. 1 upon x will be equal to 2 and 1 upon y will be equal to 3. Okay, taking reciprocal on both the side, 1 upon x हो जाएगा x and 2 हो जाएगा 1 upon 2 and y is equal to 1 upon 3. Okay, 1 upon y will become y and 3 will become 1 upon 3. So we found the values of x and y. Now we need to find the value of a. Okay, so we know y is equal to ax plus 3. Substituting the values of x and y over here, y is 1 upon 3, a into x is 1 upon 2 plus 3. Okay, so 1 upon 3 is equal to a upon 2 plus 3. Okay, here we'll take LCM and solve this first. So 1 upon 3 is equal to a plus 6 upon 2. Okay, that is we multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2. Okay, so denominator same हो गया. Now just cross multiply, so 2 into 1 gives 2 and 3 into a plus 6. Okay, so 2 is equal to 3a plus 6 3s are 18. So shifting 18 over here, so 2 minus 18 is 3a, so minus 16 is 3a, so a is minus 16 upon 3. Okay, the answer in the textbook is in mixed fraction form. So what will you do over here? 16 को 3 से डिवाइड करेंगे. ओके, 3 5s are 15. Okay, and 1 remains. Now we'll express this in mixed fraction form. So minus है, don't forget to put minus sign. Okay, so minus 16 upon 3 है, डिनोमिनेटर में क्या है 3 है, so 3 as it is रखेंगे. Remainder we'll put in numerator and 5 we'll write over here at the side. Okay, so we got a as minus 5 1 upon 3. Alright, so this is in mixed fraction form.